Ekin Cohesive Seals transformation from absorbent seal to protective gel is essential. They have to transform to perform. The seal performs by being highly absorbent, kind to skin, compatible with mucosa, and it neutralizes harmful digestive enzymes. Ekin Cohesive Seals are incredibly moldable. They can be stretched, shaped, broken, and rejoined to fit snugly around the ostomy. They create a ring of protection for vulnerable peristomal skin. The transformation process begins when moisture contacts the seal. Output from the ostomy is absorbed gradually, transforming the absorbent seal into a protective gel. The seal's transformation into protective gel is a visual sign and should offer reassurance to the user that it is working. The seal must transform to perform. The seal continues to absorb with the resulting protective gel, maintaining a barrier between the skin and output. When the entire seal is transformed into a gel state, it is a good indication that the pouch and seal are ready to be changed. When the pouch is ready to be changed, the protective gel can be removed with a wipe. Don't worry, if you don't get it all off, any remaining gel will continue to protect the skin. Remember, from absorbent seal to protective gel, Ekin Cohesive Seals transform to perform.